You won't see this in any action movie. But this is the daily reality of the 47th Separate Mechanized Brigade. A Russian soldier stumbled upon a dugout that had been captured by Ukrainian assault troops. A Ukrainian M777 howitzer fires a cluster munition round. The video shows a brilliantly executed evacuation and enemy destruction. After precise artillery fire, a Bradley crew cleared the tree line and saved the lives of Ukrainian soldiers. Ukrainian GOR used UJ-26 Bober FPV drones to strike the Russian warship Buyan-M in the Azov Sea. The Russian warship sustained a hull breach and lost its surveillance radar. Project Buyan-M are small Russian missile ships equipped with Kaliber cruise missiles. It can carry up to 8 Kaliber, Onyx, or Zircon missiles. The warship was seriously damaged. In occupied Crimea, the Russian 91N6E radar of the S-400 Triumph system was completely destroyed. Another Triumph of the occupiers in Crimea went blind. It seems to be a fiasco of Russia's air defense system, which is incapable of intercepting small targets. A Ukrainian FPV drone blew up a hidden Russian field depot of TM-62 anti-tank mines on the Eastern Front, causing a massive detonation. On the Zaporizhia front, the total destruction of Russian invaders continues. The Ronini unit struck 11 cars, 8 vans, 3 trucks, 3 armored vehicles, 2 occupiers, a motorcyclist, engineering equipment, and more. On the Kostyantinivka front, the Phoenix unit stopped 2 armored vehicles heading for an assault. The enemy has intensified and is increasingly deploying heavy equipment. But almost all of it is being destroyed by the FPV drones of Ukrainian defenders. The new Russian tactic is climbing trees to hide from FPV drones. Soldiers of the 63rd Mechanized Brigade first roasted one monkey with a strike from below, then finished off another. On the Pokrovsk front, Dovbush's Hornets used fiber-optic FPV drones to eliminate an occupier hiding behind a tree. The Russian generator was destroyed. Ukrainian defenders destroyed enemy positions, one multiple launch rocket system, an electronic warfare system, and likely a self-propelled howitzer. Artillery and UAV units of the 155th Brigade thwarted an enemy assault on the Pokrovsk front. For the first time in a long while, the Russians deployed armored vehicles in battle. A Russian APC was hit and stopped, forcing the Russian assault troops to take defensive positions on the roadside. One more drone drop, and this happens. A Russian APC blows up on an anti-tank. The remnants of surviving Russian assault troops try to shoot down an FPV drone. But another drone with a drop finishes the job. A final strike completely halts the Russian advance. Some enemy targets were struck on the Kharkiv front by the Hartia Brigade. Fighters of the 3rd Operational Brigade of the National Guard of Ukraine, Spartan, spectacularly demilitarized enemy artillery and ammo depots on the Pokrovsk front. A precise hit of M777, and this happened. Three APCs and 20 Russians tried to assault Ukrainian positions in the dark. With no chance of a successful advance, all the occupiers were successfully eliminated. The Novum group of the Ballista Special Unit detected and destroyed a BM-21 Grad in the Kursk region, Russia. It was completely destroyed. Support Ukraine on every platform. United 24, the Serhiy Prytula Foundation, and Sternenko. Glory to Ukraine. Only fresh videos on UA Defend. Subscribe to stay updated and learn more.